Hi everyone. I'm Sarah, and today I'm exploring Dubai for the first time.
Welcome, Sarah. I'm Mumtaz, your tour guide. In this video, we'll cover essential English phrases for travelers.
So, stay tuned and get ready to learn practical travel English while we explore the wonders of Dubai. Let's get started.
Hello. This is my first time in Dubai.
Welcome to Dubai. What would you like to see?
I'm excited to explore. What do you recommend first?
I recommend starting with the Burj Khalifa. It's the tallest building in the world.
That sounds amazing. How do I get there?
You can take the metro. It's very convenient.
Is it expensive to visit the top?
It's a bit pricey, but the view is worth it.
What's next after Burj Khalifa?
You should visit the Dubai Mall. It's right next to Burj Khalifa and has everything.
Great. I love shopping. Any local spots I shouldn't miss?
Don't miss the Gold Souk and Spice Souk in Dera. They are full of local charm.
Are there any cultural norms I should be aware of?
Yes, dress modestly, especially in traditional areas.
Thank you. Any suggestions for traditional food?
You should try shawarma and hummus. They are delicious.
That sounds tasty. Where can I find the best shawarma?
Al Mala in Al Diafa Street is famous for its shawarma.
What about activities for the evening?
The Dubai Fountain show at night is spectacular.
How do I get to the Dubai Fountain?
It's right outside the Dubai Mall. Very easy to find.
Can I take a boat ride in Dubai? I'd love that.
Yes, the Dubai Marina offers beautiful boat tours.
Anything else I should see?
The desert safari is a must-do. It's an unforgettable experience.
How do I book a desert safari?
There are many tour operators in the city. Your hotel can help you book it.
What about the beaches?
Jumeirah Beach is one of the best.
Are there any water sports available?
Yes, you can go jet skiing, parasailing, and more.
What's a good place for a family outing?
The Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo are fantastic.
Can I get a local SIM card?
Yes, you can get one at the airport or any mall.
Are there any parks for picnic?
Safa Park and Zabil Park are great choices.
Is there a good place for a desert hike?
You can go hiking in the Hada Mountains.
What's the best way to get around the city?
The metro and taxis are very convenient.
Can I rent a bike here?
Yes, there are bike rental stations around the city.
Is there a cultural event happening this week?
The Dubai Opera has shows almost every week.
Where can I find a good coffee shop?
Try the cafes in Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood.
Are there any cultural tours available?
Yes, the Dubai Museum offers great cultural tours.
Thank you for all the tips. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay in Dubai. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.